Alright, so let's do a quick review. The first part, it says construct a line segment through the given point parallel to the given line segment. So I want it parallel to that segment. It goes through this point. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my compass. I'm going to center at the point. I'm going to go past my line segment. Even though I can cross my line segment twice, I'm only going to cross it once. So I get that intersection. From that point, from right where I cross my line, I'm going to cross it again. Now from the new mark, I'm going to cross where I expect the line to go through. I don't know exactly where it goes through, I just have an idea. It goes there. For me to know exactly where, I'm going to grab my point. From the point, I'm going to make a mark on the arc. That gives me a new point. Connect my 2 points here. And my lines are going to be parallel. Now let's take a look at question number 5. I'm going to move on. It says construct a line segment perpendicular to the segment given through the given point. So I want a line segment that crosses this other line at 90 degrees and goes through that point. What I'm going to do, I'm going to center my compass at the point. I'm going to cross my line segment. I'm going to cross it twice. So for this one, I do have to cross it twice. So I get that. From one of my intersections, I'm going to make an arc on this side. And from the other intersection, I'm going to make a mark there. That gives me a new point. Connect that new point with the point given. My lines will be crossing at 90 degrees. Now let's review on the back. Let's take a look at question number 9. Construct the perpendicular bisector of each. So I have to cross it at 90 degrees in the middle. This is something from last week, but I don't want us to forget it. So I want my endpoints. I'm going to center my compass at the end of a segment. I want to open my compass to more than half. I'm going to make a big arc. From the other endpoint, from the other end of the segment, I'm going to make a big arc. My arcs intersect at 2 different points. Let me connect my 2 points. My segment crosses the given segment at 90 degrees through the middle. So we know how to bisect a segment. So we learned this week how to bisect an angle. I'm going to open the compass to any aperture. I'm going to center it at the vertex such that I cross both sides of my angle. That gives me 2 points. I'm going to center my compass at one of the 2 points. I'm going to have my pencil to more than half. Open the compass to more than half. I'm going to make an arc on the inside of the angle. From the other point, I'm going to make an arc on the inside of the angle as well. That gives me this point. Let me connect it to my vertex. And I just cut the angle in half. Tomorrow's quiz will have parallel lines, perpendicular segments, and bisect an angle. I'm not going to ask you guys to bisect the side. That was from last week. It is in the homework just for us to practice, but it's not going to be on the quiz tomorrow.